Hello everyone, welcome back to Rides Book. We are going to today talk about the 2025 Volkswagen Tiguan. Is the latest iteration of the compact SUV that blends performance, style, and cutting-edge technology into one impressive package. With its sleek design, advanced features, and reliable driving dynamics, the Tiguan is ready to take on city streets and open highways alike. Whether you're looking for a daily commuter, a family vehicle, or an adventure-ready ride, the Tiguan stands out as a versatile and compelling option. Under the hood, the 2025 Tiguan delivers an engaging driving experience with a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, offering a balanced combination of power and efficiency. With up to 184 horsepower and a smooth-shifting 8-speed automatic transmission, the Tiguan ensures a responsive and enjoyable drive. Whether you're navigating tight urban streets or cruising on the highway, its available all-wheel drive system provides added confidence and stability in various driving conditions. Additionally, the Tiguan's agile handling and precise steering make it an ideal choice for drivers who crave both comfort and performance. The exterior design of the 2025 Tiguan exudes sophistication and modern flair. Its sculpted lines, bold front grille, and striking LED headlights give it a commanding presence on the road. The overall design is sleek yet muscular, with the proportions of a compact SUV and the refinement of a luxury vehicle. Available 18 to 20-inch wheels and a range of stylish exterior colors allow you to personalize the Tiguan to reflect your unique style. Whether it's the urban landscape or the great outdoors, the Tiguan's exterior is sure to turn heads wherever it goes. Step inside the 2025 Tiguan and you'll find a cabin that emphasizes comfort, quality, and technology. The spacious interior can comfortably seat 5 passengers, and the materials throughout are premium and thoughtfully designed. Available features include a panoramic sunroof, heated and ventilated seating, and a customizable 12-inch digital cockpit that keeps you connected and informed. With user-friendly infotainment system that includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, the Tiguan ensures you stay entertained and in control throughout your journey. The rear seats fold flat to provide generous cargo space, making the Tiguan perfect for both daily tasks and weekend getaways. For a compact SUV, the 2025 Tiguan delivers impressive fuel efficiency, making it a practical choice for those who want to save on fuel costs without sacrificing performance. With an EPA estimated 23 mpg in the city and 30 mpg on the highway, the Tiguan strikes a balance between power and economy. Whether you're commuting to work or heading out for a road trip, the Tiguan's fuel efficiency ensures fewer stops at the gas station and more time on the road. The 2025 Volkswagen Tiguan is a remarkable blend of practicality, performance, and style. With its impressive powertrain, modern design, and advanced tech features, the Tiguan continues to set the standard for what a compact SUV can be. Whether you're tackling daily commutes or embarking on your next adventure, the 2025 Tiguan is ready to exceed your expectations, making it a standout choice in its class.